Hey guys, if you wanna use mouse and keyboard on your PlayStation or Xbox to play Battlefield REDSEC, here's how to do it. All you need to do, plug your mouse and keyboard into the USB ports on your console. As soon as you connect them, a notification pops in the top right corner showing that the new input is detected. My keyboard lights up, my mouse lights up, and everything is ready to go automatically. No extra settings required. Right now I'm in the firing range and it instantly picked up the new inputs. I can move around using the mouse and the controller still works at the same time. Unlike Call of Duty, you don't have to toggle between input devices, it just works. Let me back out to the main menu. You can see the mouse cursor on the screen as I move around. I can select Battlefield REDSEC, choose a mode like Gauntlet and load into match without switching anything manually. Once you're in the game, you can also adjust your mouse and keyboard settings. Just open the options and you'll find dedicated mouse and keyboard menus with sensitivity sliders, aiming controls, raw inputs and more. That's all there is to it. You can instantly switch between your controller and mouse or keyboard whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.